All right, anybody that is taking the lunch bounce, we said be very careful about that 42 zone. We said under 52s it will get dicey. First primary target underneath that was 47s, and we said don't rule out the idea of testing that 42 low. Very important you pay attention to your real estate. You have to be able to see enough ideas from prior support areas. And the knife fell. Where was the first violation? Anybody really know? This is my guess, and just the way I analyze markets. This 58. That was our first key violation. That should not have busted if we were just going to get more of a range type day. Once that breaks, opens the door for the 55 to 52 test. And obviously we said any day low. Zeke said rabid dog day, a characteristic of a rabid dog day. Once I called the umbrella trade is that we can go to any low, but when we finally find support, we usually get a pretty good snap. Don't get caught. Time and price at lunchtime. Fabulous idea to make sure you're paid coming into that 42 zone. This is the best day the shorts have had in a long time. And you don't want to get complacent now and figure you can just drop like a stone another 30 points or whatever. You know, there's got to be backing and filling. We said this area up here would need to have some retest done. Just too far, too fast. The auction is too quick. And aggressive buyers got stopped today. Conservative buyers that were looking back here and said, okay, I'll give this a try. Even if it's their second try, have had a nice contra because of the range of the day. I suggested that this 51.5 to 52 will be a key going forward. My guess it may become pivotal, but I believe the low is probably in at this point for today. So violation was this 58 bust. And we're going to keep that idea as our current resistance for now. And obviously any prior lows can get retested. But I think we've abandoned the low and the boys bought it at that 42 to 45 range. These are 30-minute bars, by the way. So this is the mirror day to this nonsense up. And wrong way Charlie above that 75 bought into the notion that this was still bullish. Remember we had said that 74.5 above that. Got to pay attention. Below that. Anybody gets 52s, 51.5, 52s, paid for sure if you're long. We will get some re-entry shorts. I just don't think they'll take out the low. And more than likely, that 54 zone will be a key resistance. But I like paid for sure 51.5 to 52.5 if you took the long. This was the bear flag. And then comes out the bottom. And once we take out this 58, that in my opinion, it was today's violation, taking that out. That 57.75 target we had, T1. Then that opens the door. Boom. Hope that helps. Day low and day high are probably in. So let's trade accordingly.